can see, we're gonna make a nice, lovely sponge cake with the kids then. Are you happy for making that sponge cake?
Yeah!
Hey, come on girl, you don't want to stand up. Oh, alright, wave to the camera.
Ready.
Yeah, alright. Well, today we're gonna make a nice, lovely sponge cake. As you can see, the kids are around us. We are in the kitchen and hopefully you guys enjoy the recipe. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Please leave your comments. Are you ready?
Yeah!
Are you ready?
Yeah!
Alright, let's make a sponge cake today. Right here guys, as you can see, we got some butter, which is gonna be 8 ounces of unsalted butter. Room temperature. So the first thing what we're gonna do is to take the butter and put it straight inside of the bowl now. So take the butter and you're gonna remove it and you're gonna put it straight inside of the bowl. Nice. So right here you can see we have the butter. Now we have the sugar, which we're gonna pour straight inside of the bowl. So if you take the sugar and pour it straight inside of the bowl, just like that, everything. Then guys, what I want to simply say to you, for you, you're gonna cream the butter and the sugar by putting the mixer straight inside of it, just like that. And you're gonna cream the butter and the sugar together. You can see the butter and the sugar creaming together, and you need to get it really fluffy and cream, looking really nice. This is finished cream right here. So this is finished. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna add some egg towards this. 4 eggs. So guys, hopefully you will enjoy the recipe. As you can see, we got 4 eggs which we're gonna also add to the mixture of the egg and the sugar, which we just mix together. Now we're gonna add the egg. Let's add the egg guys. We're gonna add 1 egg at a time. Take your time and add 1 inside of it. Take a look at time, pour it over. Lovely. So now what you're gonna do, you're gonna blend that one inside of it now. Yeah. 1. Now we're gonna add another egg, and then after that we're gonna add the next 2 eggs inside of it. So guys, 4 eggs inside of it. And that's the next 2 eggs guys. Enjoy the recipe. So we add the 4 eggs. Now the egg is finished. What we're gonna do, we're gonna add some spices into it. Now we're gonna add the flour, and then that's it. So we're gonna add some spices now guys to this mixture. Look at this now. So right here we have 8 ounces of self-rising flour, but we need to put some spice in it just to make it bring in a little flavor. So right over here we have a pinch of cinnamon, which you're gonna put the cinnamon inside of it. That's a little pinch of cinnamon. So right here, yep, put in the cinnamon. Nice one. And now we're gonna put in a little bit of mixed spices, just a little pinch of mixed spice. Yeah, put in a little pinch, shake it. Yeah, nice one. So now we're gonna put it straight inside of the flour, and also we're gonna put in a little pinch of baking powder, just a little pinch of baking powder. Nice one. That's perfectly right. And now what we're gonna simply do is use a spoon and incorporate the flour and the spices and the baking powder, everything. And now what we're gonna simply do, we're gonna add it to the mixture. We should just mix up the egg, the sugar, and everything. So guys, look what we're gonna do now. So to make the cake taste and bring in a little flavor, we need to add a little bit of vanilla. So you're gonna add a little bit of vanilla inside of the mixture. Just a little pinch, just to bring in the flavor. Not too much. Ah, get it, get it, get it. A pinch more. Nice one, lovely. Thank you very much, good man. Then what we're gonna simply do now, if you cut that, put that at the side. We're gonna simply, as I said, we have the flour ready. We're gonna get the mixture ready, get the blender ready. And what we're gonna simply do, we're gonna take a little time, all on the first, guys. I'll show you. So we're gonna add the flour little by little. So you can add the flour and yeah, nice one. Yeah, pour everything. Just pour everything inside of it. Nice one. So what you can do now, just use a spoon and mix it in before you blend it. As you can see, looking so lovely and nice, and this is just a simple little sponge cake, guys. Now what we're gonna do now, as we mix it in, we're gonna mix it in with the blender. As you can see. This is finished now. What we're gonna do now, we're gonna pour it inside of the pan. But before we pour in the pan, look what we're gonna do now. This is finished. So what we're gonna do now, we'll have to rub some butter inside of the tray. Yep, you can start to rub the butter inside of the tray. And when we rub the butter inside of the tray, then we're gonna pour that mixture inside of it, guys. Hopefully you love the recipe. As they said, the kids and baking their sponge cake today. Hold on first, guys. So now what we're gonna simply do, we're gonna scrape it in inside of this bowl right here. Guys, preheat your oven at gas mark 4 before you put it inside of it. I got my oven already on and I got it on gas mark 4. If you're using a different kind of oven, it is good for you to put it at 165 or 175 to bake your cake. Now we're gonna scrape it inside, make you guys can see what's going on. So get it inside, lovely and nice. That's looking so good, and this is a beautiful sponge cake. Can I have anything to say about this cake?
That it is wonderful. I really want to eat it.
You have to bake it. Kayla, you have anything to say? Oh, come on. Look at that. That cake is really nice. So as you can see, we scrape out it. Now we're going to spread it out in the inside of the baking tray. And now we're going to put it inside of the oven. Guys, remember, preheat your oven before you put it in. And this is a small cake, sponge cake. Hopefully you will like the recipe and subscribe to the recipe. You know the kids and bake their own cake today. This is really a really nice cake. Is it, Kayla? What do you think? The cake is what?
Yummy.
Oh my day. Well, let's put it in the oven and we're gonna eat some yummy cake today. And now the cake gonna go into that oven. So let's put the cake in the oven now, guys.
Okay, so our lovely cake is in the oven baking. It smells delicious. I can't wait to try it.
Now, what do you think about that, guys? What do you think about the cake?
I think that it is great and awesome, and people else should try this recipe.
Yeah, oh nice. Kayla, you have anything to say? What are you gonna say?
It's yummy.
Oh, it's yummy cake. Oh, alright. Guys, hopefully we'll just have a wonderful time with this cake when it comes from the oven. Enjoy the recipe, guys. I'm telling you, this cake gonna be really nice, is it?
Yeah.
Alright. Lovely and nice. As you can see, we just take the cake from the oven. Looking so lovely and nice. But one thing we need to do with this cake is what? What we're gonna do with the cake?
Eat it.
Eat it? What we're gonna do with the cake?
Put some icing on it.
Oh my goodness.
Or decorate it.
I'll take away. Alright, we're gonna eat the cake now. Let's eat the cake.
Oh, let me have it. Yes, I know. Yes, I know. Yes, I know. Hi, you see, you made me done.
As you can see, we just cut a nice slice, a piece of the cake. What do you think about the cake? I do you think the cake is alright?
It is great.
Yeah?
And we can't wait to try it.
Oh my days. What do you think about the cake now, Kayla?
I can't wait to eat it.
You can't wait to eat it.
It smells so delicious.
It smells so delicious. Well, the cake is such a lovely cake, as you can see. Is this the inside of here?
Wow.
Tommy! Inside of here?
Tommy.
Okay, let's eat some cake. Enjoy the recipe, guys. Thanks for watching all the kids and bake their sponge cake today, and this is just a live.